So why
You have the
trying?
energy, though.
Everybody wants a blowjob.
Yeah. I mean, that could be the new
They like it better
currency.
than sex.
That suck must be on the bean.
But you got to have something.
You know, do on the bean.
It's like a banana. I tried to teach that how to suck it. They don't know.
With the peel or without?
I am the queen of this.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers are the best.
And bananas.
Nah, they're squash. Cucumbers are hard. $3,
Yeah.
$4, they don't cost.
And they're cool, too.
Yeah.
You can put some ranch dressing
I
on
got
them.
4 spares.
What about an
Because if
eggplant?
they hurt you, bring another one. That's all.
What about an eggplant?
Nah, that's too fat. I don't like fat.
That's like
I like the nice
elephantitis.
ones. I never had a bad dick. I don't know. But I had some pretty skinny dicks, but they were good. It's the motion of the ocean.
They say he got good dick.
I'm sure he does.
It's kind of shaped like a lightning bolt.
Why you say that? Remember the black kid said, oh, I got the biggest dick. I said, oh, lucky you.
Once you go black, you never go back.
Not usually. But I want to go back to China. They got money. So the black money. They got 100.
Yeah, that mob money.
Because of the preacher. The preacher went against me. You think preachers are nice? We were
They have to be.
enslaved. You read the book. Italians were right with the slaves. Did you know that?
No, I never heard that.
That's my boyfriend over there. His grandmother's house.
That shit
I lived
poppin'.
all along here. I lived everywhere.
That shit poppin'.
I know people from Texas, New York, Massachusetts, Ohio.
What you be doing out in New York?
Right, I was married to a captain.
Who you know from Ohio?
I went to Ohio. We went everywhere. People
All
think
50
I'm homeless.
states.
I'm homeless when I want to be homeless. But this year was bad.
You're just road tripping.
Yo, is
I'm
that,
on the road again all the
is
time.
that, is that chinchilla? Is that warm?
No,
I thought it was mink.
I put it on something. You understand? You
Keeps your neck warm, right?
You don't know shit.
Yeah.
Puerto Rican Paul Bunyan.
That's it. What's your birthday? You're cute. You're quiet, aren't you?
What's Scorpio?
Oh, yeah, those best. But see, the ram can kill the scorpion. I'm a ram. I'll ram right in that scorpion. I'll play with it.
I'll poison your ass.
You can't. I got poisoned by a spider.
Which one's the spider?
Spider, they bite me. Get red spots all over. I got bugs under my thing from water. I swear. What is
Water
this?
bugs?
Mosquito bites?
They still in there?
No. They had to buy them. They bought stuff for me. It's so expensive to get rid of them. They got rid of them right away. You could see them moving all around. I said, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, it sounds like worms or some shit.
No, it's not scabies. Scabies
New people
goes
have
right down
scabies.
the transportation center has scabies.
Sure it
There's a lot of
does.
dirty people.
And bullet holes.
You see that guy down there? He said he has money. He never changes his clothes for 6 months. Now, you know he's dirty.
Yeah.
So
He must dry clean a lot if he has money, though.
What are you talking about? He hurt.
Oh, he's right down there. So he's nice. Everybody in the owes me money.
Yeah, he owes you money, right?
They all owe me money. You think I ain't gonna get it?
I'm about to go.